Hello, in this video we will show you how you can access the Oxford Dictionary of National Biography e-resource from the Oxford University Press collection off campus. On the main library guide page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Archives icon. Now on the Archives page, just scroll down until you come across the Oxford University Press logo and just click on that. Now on the Oxford University Press collection page, just click on the Oxford DNB logo to access the Oxford Dictionary of National Biography page. Now on the Oxford Dictionary of National Biography page, just click on the top logo to access this e-resource. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the sign in section. Underneath where it asks for your username and password, you will see that there is a sign in via your institution button. Just click on that. And now in the filter bar where it asks you to select your institution, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that, where you'll now be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button. You have now successfully completed the process to access the Oxford Dictionary of National Biography resource from the Oxford University Press collection off campus.